Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel HM Rameez Fitness. So it's been a long time I have made my video. Like I was posting some workouts but I was not talking. This time I thought like I should talk something. I should introduce myself again after some time. So here I am, and today I'm in Fitness First. It's in Dubai, Ibn Battuta Mall, Fitness First gym, and it's quite really good. Like I'm really enjoying it. It's like the environment is very good and they keep so clean, and then I'm really loving it working out over here. And by the way, today I'm working out for quads and like half part of the leg, quads and biceps. I have two workouts today, two muscles I'll be playing, and I'll be showing you all those things, and I'll tell you some like mistakes what people make usually while they're working out for the legs or for the biceps. I'll try my best to cover as much as I can. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, so my first exercise for the quads will be squats, and it will be like the normal weights I'll play. I won't go for the heavy weight because almost like 2 weeks before I had my PR. I hit my PR, so I don't think so I need to go for the heavier more right now. Plus I forgot to bring my belt as well, so because of which I can go more heavier weights, because it's like I always get a back pain when I play deadlift. Even though I play properly, I don't make any mistakes while playing the squats. I go with the proper reps, proper form as well, but I get the pain on the back. So see, when I feel like I can get a pain, I don't have a belt, so I'm not going with the more weights. I'm not increasing the weights. I'm going with the normal weights. I'm like weights which I can play almost 7 to 10 reps easily. Only on those I'll keep only that much weight in which I can lift easily. I won't increase the weight which can hurt me. So that's what you guys are supposed to do as well. Don't hurt yourself. Play normally, don't increase too much in which you can't do a proper form or you can hurt yourself. So let's see, I'm gonna go and play the squats, then we'll meet again. Okay, so we're done with the leg for the squats. Now we'll come for the leg press. Now, to be honest guys, there are different type of machines for the leg press. Okay, so in which we play. To be honest, it's been a long time I haven't played this leg press in which I can enjoy more. It's like in this leg press I can keep more weights with a proper form. In this exercise, like see, I'll show you. In this one, in this leg press, it's like we can keep more weights with the proper form. This one is much better, and then believe me, when I saw this one, I was like, yeah man, I'm gonna enjoy it. So let's see how I'm gonna enjoy. Okay. So now I'm gonna tell you what people make mistake when they do leg press. The major mistake they do, sometimes they try to keep more and more weight, which is not good, of course. And then while playing the leg press, they make many mistakes. For example, when they are playing the leg press, when they go to the front side, the negative, so they keep the knees straight, which we are not supposed to do. We can easily get the injury, and we can really hurt our knees. Which while we are playing the leg press, we are not supposed to keep it straight. When we play, keep it bent. At least it's like you can say 5 to 10% you have to bend your knees. You don't have to make it like full straight, which can, if you will make it straight, you will get a serious injury. Okay, and then one more thing people make mistake. I'll show you. Okay, so okay, first thing, see what people do. Come down. This. Okay, we are supposed to be like this. Only bending 5%. That's all. That's more than enough. We don't have to be like this. If you do like this, believe me, you can have a great injury. You're hurting your knees. You have to be very careful about it. You have to take care about it. While you're playing, come down. Simply, that's it. That's more than enough. Now, the second mistake what people make, they keep some heavy weight. Even if they're not keeping the heavy weight, but it's like this. What is this? No, man. You're not doing anything. There's nothing to do like this. There's no workout like this. Come down. Go up. Do a proper form. And be careful while you're playing. Try to keep your knees. The way it's coming down, same it will go up. Don't bend your knees. Don't keep it inside. Like, not like this. When you go up, the knees go inside. No, you're hurting it. Try to keep it. Try to keep the moderate pace. Okay. Then simply come down, up. Bend your knees 5%. That's all. That's how you're supposed to play the leg press. Playing after such a long time. Okay, you know what I hate the most? It's like when I have a leg press, I have to keep the weights. The place like it's 20 kg, I have to keep like 4 or 5, or sometimes it's like when there is no place on the leg press machine, we have to keep the weights on the machine, which I hate the most. The reason for hating it is like, you're not playing for the legs only, you are playing for full of your body, you're playing full body workout. Keeping the weights make it so exhausting, man. The muscles get tired, believe me. Whenever I do the leg press especially, I always need one person so which he can help me out by keeping the weights on the machine and then removing them as well. Anyways, that was good. We'll go for the other side now. Okay guys, look at this. After every some time, the janitor comes and they keep it clean all the time. After every some time, they will keep coming and they will keep mopping it, so like they can keep the area to keep the clean, which is very good thing. It's like nowadays the situation which is going on, we have to be very careful about it. So how things they're keeping loud, look at them, how they're keeping it very clean. After every some time, you can say after every 10 or 15 minutes they come and they clean, they do the mopping, they clean it. They're like keeping it very clean, which is like really awesome, which is really good. So in this one, what usually people make mistake in the hex squat. It's a really common mistake I have noticed when they are playing for the hex squat. They don't go full down, they are like almost, they go half and then they come up. What you have to focus, you have to focus on your quads, okay? You don't have to be like going half and then going up. Go properly down, keep the good connection with the muscles, mind connection plus your form. If you really want to feel, the form, like if you really want to feel the exact muscle, you all have to do simply just play the proper form. That would be perfect, like just going down and up properly. Okay, so this is our fourth exercise. It's seated leg press. So in this one, it's like almost it will be working on. Okay, I'm already so exhausted actually, so that's why I'm talking like this. Anyways, this is the exercise which I really always wanted to try, because in my gym where I work out, this machine is not there. In this one I found it, so I was like, let's just give it a try. It helps, like it's for the quads, it will for the quads, for the glutes and for the hamstring as well. So this one of the you can say a very good exercise to contract with the leg muscles. So let's try. You know what, this announcement, I feel so disheartened. I really wanted to play for more, and I didn't know like the gym will close very early. It's very soon. It's like I think yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 8, 9, 10. Sorry about it. Actually, I don't know like the counting and the timing. It's like 13, 14. I don't know that one. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 7, 8. So at 9 o'clock the gym will close because it's Friday, I suppose. That's the main reason they are going to close it now. Man, feels so bad. Let's do one thing. Let's just play a real quick one superset for the biceps, so like we can pump. I hope I'll get this time. I'll get the time to play one superset for the biceps. That was it, by the way. That was the exercise for the quads, and that was quite amazing. And I tried a little bit explaining about like how you guys should play some exercises for the legs and whatever mistakes you guys make. So let's just be clear. Let's just be very what to say. I got confused. Anyways, so let's try hard. Take care. Okay, so that was it. I was thinking after playing quads, I'll do the biceps. Now the most disheartened thing was I can't play. The reason for not playing is like the gym is about to close within I think 4 minutes. I have only for 4 minutes. I gotta go and I have to change it as well. I have to take shower and do everything and then change the clothes. Sadly, I can't do. I was thinking at least I'll go and do 1 or 2 supersets for the biceps, so then I can get some muscle pump as well. But I couldn't make it. That was super sad. But if I think it's like it was a very good experience working out in Fitness First, I would tell you guys, just come here, do the workout and you will enjoy. If you come here, just give it a try. Come here and you're gonna love it. So I hope you love it as well. Okay, so by the way, there's the gym. You can look at behind me, and there's the cardio area, and these are the machines like for the. Okay, so you know what, the best thing which I like, look at this area at the back of this part, this. So this whole area is for the legs. It's like almost more than 10 machines are here for the legs only, which is the best thing. Believe me, that's the best thing I can see here. And the guy staring at me, he's like, I'm still standing here. He told me, bro, just go and change the clothes. We have to leave. Even you have to leave. So he's looking at me, staring at me. Anyways, guys, that was it. The experience was very good, and I hope you liked the video. If you like it, let me know in the comment, okay? And let me know what were the mistakes you were guys making, okay? And if you find any mistake if I was making, let me know, okay? And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and press the black and that's okay, leave it because I don't remember what to say again and again. Bell icon, yeah. Like I'm not used to it. Anyways, guys, this guy, see, where is he? Yo man, can you say hi? Can you just say hi?
Hey, what's good?
Okay, that's my YouTube channel. Just tell them.
Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Fitness First bin Batuta. We out.
Okay, yeah. Take care, man. Cheers. Okay, so that was it. I hope it was a good day, and stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in another video. Take care. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.